All right, here we have a 2024 Honda Civic Type R. Now, with the Hondas, what they've done now, they've added these combination fuses. So it's like a 4-block fuse thing on the engine bay, which is, I think, the combination fuse. They use them in various new cars these days, but this particular style is unique to the new Hondas. So I'm going to show you how to take them out. Now, these, even though they look like it's all one big block, it's actually 4 individual blocks. So you've got 2 bolts here, which is basically the main battery terminal. So if you want to take any of those 2 fuses out, you have to undo that bolt, and there's a bolt around the other side that has to be loosened. If you wanted to take any of those 2 fuses out, you have to take that bolt out and then take a bolt out, or loosen the bolt out, should I say, on that side there. Now, obviously, before you start this, make sure the battery terminal's off, which it is. So I'm going to take that one out. So I just want to show you. So you undo that bolt. That's got to come out. Now there's a bolt just around the back here. Now, and that needs to be loosened. So doesn't have to come out, just needs to be loose. What that bolt's doing is squashing these fuses together. Now, just need to put that fuse up. And that's a combination fuse. And that's it. That's how you get this out on a 2024 Honda Civic Type R.